Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make grilled turkey burgers. Oh yeah, this is a really good recipe, jam-packed with feta, spinach, got some rosemary and garlic, and some sun-dried tomatoes. First, you want to mince up some fresh rosemary, and go ahead and add that to a large mixing bowl. Next, you want to mince about 3 or 4 garlic cloves. If you don't like so much garlic, then, back it down. However much garlic you like. Next, we're going to measure out about 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. And these are the julienne stripped style sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure you pick that up. Go ahead and do a rough dice on those and add that to the mixing bowl. Next, you want to add 1 cup of baby spinach, and you want to kind of pack it down a little bit in that cup there. And once you measure it out, just roll it up tight and kind of do a chiffonade with your knife there, and then kind of dice it up and chop it like that. And the next ingredient is 1/2 cup of feta cheese. So you want to break down all the big chunks just like this here, and you want to also scoop up some of this stuff and set it aside as a topping. And for the star of the show, we've got 1 pound of ground turkey. Next, we'll be adding some powdered sage, and then we're going to add some ground mustard. And of course, all of these ingredients are in the video description and are also on our website at manthat'scooking.com. So we've got some onion powder, gonna add some ground paprika, and finally some breadcrumbs. Now, there's no egg involved here, you don't need that. But these breadcrumbs are gonna help accumulate some moisture and keep these turkey burger patties nice and moist. So what Man here is doing is he's gonna weigh these patties out and make them equally sized. We're gonna make 3 patties, and he's got one of these cheap $10 scales and also one of these burger presses. So why do this? Why make them all the same weight? Why use a burger press to make them pretty? Well, not only are these little devices here pretty inexpensive, but you can also watch your local grocery store's weekly sale ads, and if you find ground turkey on a BOGO kind of sale, you could pick up 4 pounds, you could pick up 6 pounds, and then you could crank these suckers out and then buy yourself one of these food savers and put them in a bag, then drop them in the freezer, and once they're frozen kind of rock solid like this, then you can use a vacuum seal just to seal off the top, and these will last in the freezer for a long time. So if you got a couple of these in your freezer and you don't have a meal plan, you could take one of these out, let it thaw, and throw it on the grill, or even put it in your air fryer. Alright, so it's time to grill, and we're gonna spray some oil down on these grill grates so that the turkey burgers don't stick. You should always do that anyway, but with beef burgers you can get away with not oiling the grill because beef's gonna have a lot of fat in it and turkey does not. I mean, that's why you're eating these, right? Right. So just like any poultry, these are good to go. They're ready at 165 Fahrenheit, and we're almost there. We're going to let these continue to cook a little bit longer. Looking tasty though, huh? Look at that. Oh yeah. So we've got these 2 burners going on the grill, and we're going to slide these patties back and then drop down some buns just to get them nice and toasted. We're going to keep an eye on the temperature here and getting close. Buns are looking okay, so it's time to slide them over to the cool zone and get them off the direct flame. Alright, let's take the temperature once again. Looking safe. Alright, today we avoid salmonella once again. Alright. Corn flyover. Take a look at those buns. Okay. How about the turkey? Yeah, look how hearty that is. So it's time to take this off the grill and assemble these burgers. So you want to add the remaining feta cheese to the top and also add some of the baby spinach because you've got a lot. You may as well use it up. And you may have noticed that there's no mayo, no mustard, none of that stuff. You don't really need it, but feel free to put like some honey mustard or maybe some garlic aioli, mayo, all kinds of things would be really good on here. Or, by itself is good too. Take a look at that. Yeah, look at how many specks of sun-dried tomatoes you got in there. You've got a lot of spinach in there. This is delicious. And remember, you can make a lot of these. I mean, look how much spinach you've got left over. You could buy maybe another package of the feta cheese and grab a couple pounds of ground turkey and crank these out, throw them in the freezer. Look at that. So hey, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you try this out at home. You should. It's delicious. And check us out on manthat'scooking.com.